Bitcoin with a nice bounce now over $90,000. It is Thursday, March 6th, 11:53 a.m. It's going to be a brief update, just a general check-in on Bitcoin, the total crypto market cap, and the others market cap here. Yesterday, I had put out a video in the Discord more on analysis of individual coins like XCN, Flare, ZBEC, HBAR, Ondo. So if you haven't watched that already, dive into that. But so this is going to be just more general. So basically still a lot of volatility. We're definitely not quite out of the woods yet. We did get that vertical buy now. We did have a nice pop up from that point. As you can see, we're holding support on the 1-day 200 moving average. But until we can get above, like I said in that video, like 97, 98K and hold there with candle body closes, we're not out of the woods yet. And there is still risk of us coming down again, to touch like 75, maybe a little bit lower. So there is still that risk at this point in time until we can get above those key levels. And yeah, super volatile. It's absolutely crazy how volatile this market is. And tomorrow today into tomorrow, it's going to get even more volatile because we have some key macro data coming out. You can see down here, we have unemployment rate, non-farm payrolls, Fed Chair Powell speech, and then we have the crypto summit. Yeah, we have the crypto summit tomorrow as well too. So a lot of stuff coming out next 48 hours is going to be critical as far as where we end up. And this weekly candle close on Sunday will be key as well too, because if we take a look at the weekly chart, we absolutely want to see us really get back with this body above 93.5K, 94K, so we can close the candle body above the 21 moving average. We had a nice candle body close on the weekly last week. That was due to the Sunday pump, but then Monday we saw the dump. So we started this week off red. We came down, we wicked down. It would be very nice to even see a green candle body close and a long wick, because that will tell us, hey, going into next week, we could be heading into the next big pump ski in Bitcoin, which ultimately will lead into altcoins as well. So that's what I'm watching there. So that's Bitcoin. And we're going to be in a bull market. We need to say we head lower. We need to close weekly candle bodies above 75K. That's the weekly EMA ribbon here. As you can see, we found support back in summer, August and September at that level before heading up to 100K. If we're going to see us pull down more, we need it. 75K is the crucial level. If we break that, we're heading right to the top of the beast, which is around 55K. And at that point, we're in a bear market. That's the pure facts of that. But we're not there yet. I don't believe we're going to head there, but we got to keep our mind open to the possibilities. But for now, we're going to play with what we got, and we need to get above 98K. We have the 1-day buy now, which is great, but we need to watch the key levels. And yeah, so if we come back down, 75K-ish is that level we must hold. So that's Bitcoin. Looking at the momentum on the 1-day, we are starting to come up, which is good. We're starting to see the pink and the blue kiss a little bit. You like to see that, because as you can see, when we saw the pink and the blue kiss back here, it was early February, and that's what led us into this downtrend. So if we can see these kiss and cross, we'll see this being the start of an uptrend. Like back, let's say like here in January, we saw us start to change the trend, but then we saw it kiss again and we came back down. And yeah, so that's good to see, but we're not quite there yet. Good to see the momentum on the 1-day coming up, the TSI coming up, but ultimately we need to get above the zero line in the TSI to know that we're in positive bullish territory again. And we need to see that 2-day buy now flash and this momentum come up. So we're getting there. We're creeping up. We're getting close, but we're not out of the woods yet. So keep your head on a swivel. So that's Bitcoin. Others market cap. Looking at the 1-day chart, I had mentioned we had a pop up. We came to the 786, got rejected so far. If we come back down, we need to hold this 786. And like I said, if we were to go lower, probably just tap the top of the beast here. So you can see if we head lower, we'll probably tap the top of the beast, just like we did back here in August. We had a wick into the beast and popped up. So if we do go lower, I'd expect the same thing to happen, a wick to the beast and then a pop up. So that's that. Looking at the momentum on the 1-day, like I said, with Bitcoin, we're looking better, but not quite out of the woods yet. 2-day chart, we're seeing a little cross up, but we're not quite there. We need to see more. We just need to see a little more follow through. So that's Bitcoin. That's the others market cap. And yeah, we're going to leave it off at that. Want to give a shout out to the love. You guys keep giving the love, the spiritual gas. You're giving it, and I'm taking it in. Really appreciate the thoughtful mentions yesterday. Brenda chiming in Daniel, my man, Teresa, of course, Ken, thank you. And Sienna coming through. Appreciate you guys very much. You guys are my spiritual energy. So let's hope the next 48 hours, the market gives us a break here. It's been so volatile. Let's see some volatility to the upside, right? So I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you in the Discord. Link is in the bio for that if you're not already in it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.